How to find Wells Fargo account number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Wells Fargo account number. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Wells Fargo is a diversified financial service holding company that offers retail and wholesale banking and wealth management services to individuals, businesses, high net worth individuals, and institutions through its subsidiaries. Routing numbers and account numbers are available in Wells Fargo online. To find your full account and routing number in your account online, simply sign in to your Wells Fargo online account firstly and select the account you are interested in. Once you are signed in, simply, to access your full account number, select Account and the four numbers directly below the account name as you can see here on the screen, and this is how you can find Wells Fargo account number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.